y'all. Today we're looking at different backpack style stoves to take camping on the motorcycle. When we're car camping, we've got my handy dandy gas one stove that uses butane or propane, and I love it. It works fantastic. I can even use it out here cooking. It's great for an emergency backup, just like all of these. This is what I usually use. This is a cheapy little stove, a knockoff of like the MSR. Is it MSR, the rocket stove? And I'd love to have one of those, but they're pricey. I paid about $10 for this little set of cookware that included the stove. The only thing I don't like is it's rickety. That makes me nervous. What I do like, this is my handy dandy Stanley cup, by the way, or cook set. I replaced the tab on the lid with a carbiner, Night Eyes size 2 S-biner, so I can lock the lid and hang it over a fire or whatever. Trying to do this with one hand, sorry. I can leave the cups at home, and this is the smaller size. See, there's different sizes. Look at that. Stove fits in here, folds up, and there we go. Put the lid on, and I try to do this one-handed. Uh-oh. It's not so easy to do one-handed. Okay. Fold up the lid. Fold that up. There we go. See? The stove's in there. This is a Walmart mug. I made a cozy for it, but it sucks, by the way. But, oh, and this 30-ounce drinking lid fits it perfectly, and it fits this perfectly. So this fits inside here, and one of these little green scrubbies, you slide it down in there, and maybe I should do it like this. Ta-da! It ain't going nowhere. It's self-contained. I just have to figure out what to do with that. But that's all you need. Plus, anyway, except this is rickety. If I had a Jetboil, that's what I was trying to think of. Jetboil. That wouldn't be a problem, but this cheapy one is cheapy, and it works. Also, handy dandy to have it upside down, windscreen around any type of stove on windy days. Keeps the wind from blowing your flame out, helps you cook faster. It's a handy dandy thing. So I like that, but I just got this Sterno camp stove that folds up and fits in this little box, and I'm actually going to get looking for a pencil holder, a school pencil holder thing that it'll fit into, and open this, you put your can of Sterno here. I got a whole bunch of these on clearance when the store went out of business. But you can refill them with chafing fluid from I think, what's the name of the store? Grocery Outlet? No, Smart and Final, I think, carries the big jugs, really cheap. And I also cut out this little piece of tin that fits there, and then oh, okay, sorry. Apparently I hit the wrong buttons and bad things happened. And you were stuck seeing my face. Now we're back. I cut out this piece of tin for my stove, and this way I can use twigs and branches and all that to burn. Just put a pot up here. Ta-da! And or my cup or my Stanley will fit and not shake. The Sterno, all you do is pry open the lid and light it up, and it burns 45 minutes. I think the Jetboil heats water in like 3 minutes or less. This one's probably like 4 or 5 minutes. This, I believe, takes about 12 minutes. So if you're not in a hurry, that works great. The Sterno does make their own version of Jetboil, but it still takes a while to cook. But it's also it's like $20, $25, as opposed to $100 or whatever. So this I just got off of Amazon. It was on sale, clearance, whatever. Gotta know where the bargain bins are. This is a cool little alcohol stove, which may be my go-to, and replace that. This is your damper, and you can control the amount of heat coming out. Okay, let's try to put you down. Hold on. Okay, y'all. Hopefully I don't screw up, and because I filmed this once already and hit the wrong button again, and it turned off, and who knows what happened. So, alcohol stove. There are, I think, Tranger is the name brand. There's a couple others. This was cheap. It was like $12. Got the damper. It's got a lid with an O-ring. And you just pour, you can put denatured alcohol or heat, which you can find at most automotive stores. There's a couple other things you can use. Those are the main two. Alcohol. You can also make these, if you're handy, out of a Friskies can, tuna fish can. They're even called cat food stoves or Frisky stoves. Anyway, you can keep the oil inside, and that'll last you a day or two in most cases, if you're just heating coffee and water for your dehydrated foods. It seals. And what I really liked about this one, it came with the stand that my pots fit onto. Even that fits. And so I've got a little bit of heat in here. See, it comes out of the holes around the side. That's it. It's burning. I don't know if you can see it in the sunlight, but you can hear it. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And put my damper on. I can control the temperature. I can turn it off. Gets hot quick, by the way. I gotta figure out how to use the tamper with this on it. I know there's some trick. Oh, is it like that maybe? Oh, look at that. No, that's not it either. Anyway, it's a handy little thing. I'm really impressed. That folds up. So, I'll just put the lid on, seal up what little bit of heat's still left. And you can carry a little squirt bottle with extra alcohol. You can also put it like that. The pan fits like that. Isn't that awesome? Like I said, this is, I haven't used it on the road yet, but that's probably gonna replace my little cheapy stove, because it's reliable, it's simple, can get alcohol anywhere. I like having a backup though, so I may take both, because my stove and gas are in here. What else do you need? So that's it. My previous, my probably new, and that might be used some too. May experiment next time. Who knows? Anyway, that's all we got for today. Camp stoves. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Have a great apocalypse. Bye!